Report into view.
Nice work, pal.
Are you looking for a solid EPCOT morning strategy with no rope drop to set you up for a successful park hopping day? Then all you have to do is follow this plan. Welcome, not so foolish mortals. This is Mouseterclass. Remember, you can book all lightning lanes up to 7 days before your resort check-in date.
To the International Space Training Center. You're here today to train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind. Space travel. The X-2 space shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. Report for your pre-flight briefing. It's go time. Coming into view. And down on Earth, on Hawaiian Island. You should be seeing Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris, the city of light. New horizon. We're getting reports of a strong storm cell directly in the landing pad. Okay, listen up, team. Change of plans. Commander, activate manual control. Now. Initiated. All hands on the control sticks. Down and clear. Mission accomplished. Good work, team. Welcome back to Earth. And welcome to the astronaut corps. Okay.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, commander of the Nova Corps, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts.
I'm on. Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Tau Merrick. Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Interior Mark, go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the guidance. Now.
Perhaps that really big man expedition. That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime. I've been watching Terrans from the north.
That's not creepy at all.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing!
Hey, Nova, you know according to follow that.
Right behind you!
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them.
I'm so cool. You're all together?
Hello, welcome, Soarin. My name is Patrick, and I'm here to keep my identity. Clues, cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Nice work, pals. Seatbelt, carry on arm safety, strong fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Anything else? Yeah. Have a nice one.
Cuida a los pequeñitos, a manera de recordatorio no tomar cosas. Also extremely rich in productive living systems, involving oxygen, food. The American family. Discovering better ways to grow food that will assure both human and environmental. When we mention farming, these plants are definitely on their way up. Innovative growing techniques like these increase yields while more efficiently using resources like water. Additional growing methods. That saves water and increases production. The aquaponics system on your left combines hydroponics with aquaculture, a precious natural environment. Only there will we truly be living with the land. Living with the land. As you look above, please lower your head and touch yourself. For your safety. Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World monorail.
Report coming into view.
Nice work, pal.
Mouseterclass dismissed.